Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Sapon, and today I created this look using the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, the Artistry palette. If you are interested in how I created this look, if you want to see the swatches and how this palette works, just keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. This is what the palette looks like. It has a little slip in here and 30 super pigmented shades. I will go ahead and show a clip of the swatches. So this is the first row starting from the top. This is welcome back to my channel. Wand noise. Now moving on to the second row. This is Lynn 1985 Mogul, Self-Made, Dog Mom, and Honest Truth. Now moving on to the third row. This row just makes me so excited for the fall. So starting at the top, this is Designer Label, Mr. Diva, Boss Angeles, Pink Fleet, Calabasas, and Don't Know Her. Now moving on down to the fourth row. This is Designer Label, Millions. This is the Pressed Pigment. This is Girl, What's the Tea, Vroom Vroom, and Custom Rims. Moving on to the final row. Glam Rapids, Wake and Bake, Nate, Drive Through, Hi Dude, and Fast Lane. And there you have it. This is all 30 shades of the Morphe and Jeffree Star Artistry palette. One of the reasons why I only bought this palette is because this was the one thing that caught my attention the most. I will eventually try the brushes out, but I did buy his brushes in his first collection, so I already know how that's like, but I really wanted to try out this palette firsthand. I would gravitate towards more the Morphe setting spray. I had a really bad experience with it. I know that Jeffree did mention in his video that there are a few ingredients in there that he did change, and he did twist it up just a little bit. But I still am a little hesitant, so just gonna hold off on that as well. The continuous setting spray just did not work well for me. I'm sure Jeffree reformulated everything else, but I just didn't. I'm still a little hesitant to even repurchase it. And if that's something that you guys really want to see, I could go and purchase it again. Let me know in the comment section below, but I really am excited for this palette. This was the one thing that I was kind of waiting for, so I'm excited. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So of course, swatching on your hands is a little different than actually using it and blending it in onto your lids. So I did prime my lids and I set it with powder, and we are just gonna go ahead and jump into using this palette. And I'm gonna be using the JS5 and taking the shade Back, and I'm buffing that in to using it as my transition shade. So far, I know that when I swatched these on my hands, they were super soft, super creamy, and the pigment was great, and the pigment is great on the like blending it on as well. It's not chalky, it's blending really well. So now going in with a blending brush from Morphe, I am going in with the shade Calabasas. That's the shade right here. I'm going in and blending out my crease with this shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Mogul, which is right here. And I'm going to darken up the crease. I'm going to take Calabasas and Module, and I'm going to go ahead and drag this down. I'm going to take the shade Hi Dude, and I'm going to blend this into my crease. Okay, first of all, I'm not loving this brush with it. I'm going to be taking his JS6, and I'm going to just blend out that Hi Dude shade. I was not loving that Anastasia brush. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Don't Know Her, which is right here. And I'm just going to tap that in right there. Super pretty. I'm going to go back in with Module and Calabasas. And I'm just going to blend that out just a little. I'm going to take the shade Dog Mom, which is right here. And I'm going to blend that into my inner crease. So this is the completed look. I'm actually wearing the BaddieB lashes in instahoe. Overall, I really enjoyed this palette. I really want to say huge congrats to Jeffree and Morphe for coming out with their whole collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. If you guys want to see more of this little palette and my videos, if you guys would like to see something else, just comment down below, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.